I know you to be familiar. Welcome back to the channel. Good morning. Yeah, today we are back. We're going to do this lotto. You can join the WhatsApp group uh, by WhatsApping me to join this and OTT voucher or one voucher or pro voucher. If it's the first time, you may consider subscribe. I need to reach 1,000 subscribers as soon as possible in this month, because I can see the watch hours are growing faster than the subscribers. Many the people are watching, but they are not subscribing. You may consider to click subscription. It's free to subscribe. Thank you. All right. So we're going to see this lotto. All right. So what you do here, oh guys, you take these last two numbers. You do plus or minus. You know this lotto must spay nice, where a single number is 8 odds. All right. So let's go. You do plus or minus. So mostly you can see 4 plus 24 is 28, which came. This one he gave us 33, 33 and 35. Then we have also when you do minus and the 20. So among those four number, only one number mostly, or two number drops. Two or one number, because you get four numbers when you do plus or minus here. So here we only got 28. Let's see what happened here. You can understand. I used the medication, all of it is not working. Let's see here. So here it's gonna give us 34 and 22. Here it's gonna give us 21 and 35. Here it's gonna give us 20 and 32, right? Then when you use this bonus ball, it's gonna give us 19. So you can see here only 16 dropped. So one number is only possible on this bonus and these two numbers, right? So here we can get a 33, since 33 also was found somewhere here. We are having 38 plus 5, 33. Then when you add here's 23, so meaning you are having 23 and 33. Then when you do minus is 31 and 9, right? So these are numerical order. We can play 33 and 13. Since we have a 31 here, 33 and 13. Since we have a 31, right? Then if you wanna play the small number, we have a 9 or 6. All right. We have a 33 and 13. 6 or 9. All right. Then the second strategy that we're going to see, be patient because I am not gonna speak too much, too loud. Yeah, this flu is like something else. I was not having this kind of flu before. All right, so here we are having a 2 and 4. 2 and 4. This number, it's likely to be divided by 2. Added together. So we have a 2, 4, which is a single number, then you add them together, it's 6. Because 8 already played, so if it was not played, then supposed to add them together. That's where 6 came here. Only the 6 came as a bonus ball. But mostly they like to play them as a main set, right? Alright, so here we have a 4 and 8, because when you add, it's 8. Then here we're having 3 and 7 and 10. 2, 4, 6. So they work mostly. Don't forget, because they skip some many draws without doing it. 3, 6, which is 9. 3 is 30 as well, because the 3, 6 when you spin is 9. 3 when you spin is 30. So they played the both number. You can see that they played both number. 3, 6 as well can repeat it 6. Look at here how they used this number. Alright. 3, 8. 3, 8. And the 8 is 2 and the 4. And always, né? Because 38 played, you leave it, but we are having a 4. Every time you get a 4, there is a 8. Right? Alright. So let's go for example. 2. We have a 2 and the 4, because remember I told you must take this number, add them together. 2 plus 2 is a 4. So we have a 2, 4, and 8. Because we have a 2 and 4, 8 can come in their place. And remember to spin your numbers. 2 is a 20, 2 came and the 4th. So you can see that the 2, 4 also is a 24. Don't forget, they can make it like this. Right? So you can see sometimes they're gonna bring the whole 3 numbers from this. Alright. 4, 1, and see 4, 1, 4, 1 plus is a 5. When you do minus 3, you can see here they used 1, our banker, then 4 they did minus. They didn't do plus to play 5, they did it minus, right? So then if you check that they did a minus on the next draw, you do the same. Look at here, we have a 2, 7. When you do plus is 9. When you do minus 5. So you can see that 5 is sitting there. Yeah. Then you can see 2, 7, 9. It's gonna give us 29. And the 25, when you remove, you can see 25 is sitting there. You take this 2 single. We have a 2, 7. To do plus is 9, to do minus is 5. You create a big number out of them. I think I went too fast. So we have a 27, 25, and 29. So that's where 25 came. 27 was already there. So we supposed to play 29 and the 25 as well. Since they did a minus here, you also do a minus until they change the strategy, guys. When it's 0, it's just that number, no? Let's go, because this is just a 3. 3 is always a 9 or 6. That where 6 came from. Sometimes they even add a 10 on each single. Remember? Alright. 3, 4. Right? 3, 4, and 7. They did add them number together. Then we have a 3, 4, and 7. It's gonna give us 34, 37, or 43, 47. So, but 7 is sitting there. As I said, sometimes they add 10 on each single. You can see there is 13 here, 14, and 17. That's where 31 came from. So, using only this calculation, you can get the numbers to play the whole draw. You don't have to calculate other things. Alright? Let's go. Here we have 4, 6. 4, 6, right? 4, 6 is also 46, but because 46 is sitting there, you leave it, and then when you add them together, it's 10. 4 is always a 2, remember? And 8. As a look at here, if you add a 10 on each single, you can see that since they added 10 on the previous single, you add a 10 again on the next one. So we have 14 and 16, and they spin the number. 41 is gonna come. You can see 2 numbers. So this is one strategy that can grow your I'm just clicking random draws. Did you notice? 3, 4. Then we have a 3 and the 4 and the 7. But since we have a 4 and there, you're gonna say 4 is a 2 and the 8. So you can see we have already 5 a number. Then you spin your numbers, and remember, if you spin the number, we're getting 20, 30, 40. Then if you add a 10 is 13, 14 and 12. Then you check which number the previous draw, but they like to repeat the number. So let's see what number came. Because the screen is here, we have this number came. Ne? Alright, so let's go. Alright, let's see, for example, here we have a 3, 9. 3 plus 9 is 12, right? 3 plus 9 is 12, and then you add 10 is 13 and 19, right? Yeah, those are the numbers here. 3, 9. So only 13 came out, and 12 is sitting there. But yeah, that's the reason. So that this is the only strategy that I saw it's consistent. And so let's see a previous draw. We have a 2, 6. He's supposed to play at least 2, 4 is 8, ne? 2, 4 is 8. Alright, so this didn't work because we have a 2, 6. We have a 2, 4 and 6. Because when you add them together, it's 6. Since 8 is sitting there, you leave it. Then you have, because remember 2, 4, 8, they play in each other's place. But 26 sitting there because it's gonna give us 24 and 26. 24 is sitting there, 26 is the one which remaining here. It's sitting there. As I told you, 3, 7, 10. That didn't work because 3 was sitting there. Only 7 remained. Here it's 3, 7 and 10. 3 was already out, and then 7 and 10 remain. Play after a draw. 2, 4, 10 came here. So you can see they keeping 7 and 10 came in the same draw. Meaning that here we can have 2, 4 and 6. They use our 26. Going to play 2, 4, right? Alright, here we have 8. We can stick 2, 4. Alright, today since they use that number on the after 2 draws. And you can see that if you come here after 2 draws, 3, 7, 10, they are sitting there. 3, 7, 3 plus 7 is 10. So after 2 draws, we have 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6. And when you add them together, alright, and then we have 24, 26, right? Alright, so we have a 2, 4, 6. I think this is the number to play. They are gonna skip a draw to play it because if you check here as well, we have a 2 and 6 and 8. So since the 2, 4, 6 played, we have also 8. We can also try 8. Then you play 2, 4, 8 as a single numbers. Then let's go. Here is 1 and 6. You can see they are meeting on 6. Then 1 is 6. 6 is a odd. 1 is 6 or 7. 1 is 6 is 7. Remember, if you spin your numbers, you get the whole draw. We have a 10, 20, 40. Then you can add also 10 on each single, which is 11, 12, 14, 16. So 10 and 16 you can repeat, or 7 and 16. Remember, they like to repeat 2 numbers on each draw. but not always, but most of the time. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, ne? Now we got the numbers for the world almost. Then the other thing you do, the last strategy that I was using, so for you to get this number, when you do minus is 9, when you do minus here it's 11, when you do minus is 31, when you do minus, yeah. So you try to see, and you can see 9 is sitting there. We agree that we're going to use 33, 13, and 9. 33, 13, and 9. Right? Alright. So now there's the other thing you should use. This code also work. You can break this code. So for example, we have 8 here, 24 and 48. 24 per 8, 28. Only 48 didn't come. Then here we have 24 per 8, 48, 49, right? And 29. 48 is the one which remained. Then here we're having 49. Yeah, 49 didn't play. We have a 24, 49. So they can repeat the 24, remember? We have a 2, 6, and the 4, and the 8. They can repeat 28 or 29. No, I mean 24 or 28. 24, 90. This 90 can give us 29 and the 49, innit? Yeah, you break it. That is also another way. The other way is to take these numbers and you add them together. Let's see. We have 2 plus 4, 10, 14, 23. Then 23 you add 50, which is the total number of the draw. You add 5. So here we have 8 and 7. So we have a 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So 7 and 8, what you do it, you play them as a small number. Here it is. Then you add 10 on each, which is 17, 18. Then you multiply by 2, which is 34 and 36. Yeah, those are the things you do on these 7 and 8. You can also add them together to get 15. Unfortunately, they played only 7 and 8. So here it's gonna be 2 plus 4 is 6, is 15, I think. 15 plus 55 is 0. I keep 6 is 7. So the 7, as we saw, 7 they can repeat or they can bring just 17. Because as we said, it's either 7 or 17 or 34. Sometimes they multiply by 2. Remember? Yeah, 7, 17, 34. Yeah, that is also another strategy. Thank you. We see you again. This strategy, go and practice them. I didn't come to predict. I came to show what you can do to calculate these numbers. Thank you. Bye bye.